A project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve a specific goal. It involves defining the scope of the project, creating a timeline, assigning roles, and tracking progress. A project management is a critical skill for successfully delivering complex initiatives and meeting key objectives. Effective project management helps ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. The diverse team shown in the image highlights the collaborative nature of project management, where people with different skills and expertise work together towards a common goal. Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals. It involves defining the project scope, creating a schedule, and allocating resources. Project management encompasses a range of activities, including risk management, communication, quality control, and team leadership. The goal is to ensure successful project completion within defined constraints. The project management lifecycle is a framework that guides a project from start to finish. It consists of 5 sequential phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. In the initiation phase, we define the project scope, objectives, and feasibility. The planning phase involves developing a comprehensive project plan, including timelines, resources, and budget. During execution, we implement the project plan, managing tasks, resources, and communication. In the monitoring and controlling phase, we track progress, manage risks, and make necessary adjustments. Finally, the closure phase formalizes project completion, documents lessons learned, and delivers the final outputs. Each phase is interconnected and relies on the successful completion of previous phases to ensure project success. The project charter is a formal document that authorizes the start of the project. It outlines the key objectives, scope, and high-level requirements. Early stakeholder engagement is crucial. We need to identify all the key stakeholders and understand their expectations and concerns. This will be vital for the success of the project. We also need to allocate the necessary resources for the project initiation activities, including personnel, budget, and materials. Securing the initial funding is an important first step. With the charter in place, the stakeholders engaged, and the resources allocated, we can now move forward with launching the project. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in the success of a project. We need to identify all the key stakeholders, those who can impact the project or be impacted by it. Once we've identified the stakeholders, we need to analyze their level of interest and power in the project. This will help us determine their influence and how we need to manage them. Developing a communication plan is crucial to keep stakeholders informed and address their concerns. This will help us manage stakeholder expectations and ensure the project's success. Project scope defines the boundaries, deliverables, and constraints of the project. Defining the scope involves a collaborative process with stakeholders to ensure everyone agrees on the objectives and deliverables. A structured approach with stages like requirements gathering, analysis, and documentation helps ensure the scope is complete and clear. The scope definition should provide detailed descriptions of all deliverables, tasks, and milestones to give a comprehensive understanding of the project's objectives. The work breakdown structure, WBS, is a hierarchical decomposition of project deliverables into smaller, more manageable components. This helps break down large, complex projects into smaller, easier-to-manage tasks. The WBS is typically presented as a tree diagram, providing a clear visual representation of the project scope and the relationships between different tasks and subtasks. The WBS serves as the foundation for project planning, resource allocation, and cost estimation, ensuring that all aspects of the project are accounted for. The WBS also facilitates collaboration and communication among team members, as it provides a common understanding of the project scope and its components. Project scheduling is a crucial aspect of successful project management. It involves defining the tasks, their dependencies, durations, and resources needed to execute the project plan effectively. A well-defined schedule helps manage timelines, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure the project stays on track. The key steps in project scheduling include defining the tasks that make up the project, determining the order in which tasks must be completed, assigning time estimates to each task, allocating the necessary resources to specific tasks, creating a visual representation of the project timeline, such as a Gantt chart or network diagram. By carefully scheduling the project, managers can avoid delays, optimize resource utilization, and ensure the project is delivered on time and within budget. Resource planning is a critical aspect of successful project management. The key steps are identifying the necessary resources, allocating them effectively, managing their utilization, and optimizing their use. First, we need to determine the human, material, and financial resources required for the project to succeed. This involves assessing the specific skills, equipment, and funding needed. Next, we assign those identified resources to the various tasks and activities based on the team members' capabilities and availability. During project execution, we track how the resources are being used, monitor their performance, and make adjustments as needed to ensure efficient allocation. The ultimate goal is to maximize resource utilization in order to achieve the project objectives while minimizing costs and time. Effective resource planning sets the foundation for a project's success by ensuring the right resources are in place to execute the work. Cost estimation is crucial for project success. It involves identifying and quantifying all project expenses. Budgeting allocates financial resources to project activities and helps track spending to ensure financial viability. The typical project budget range is around $100,000. Potential overruns are common without accurate estimations. They can reach up to $2 million. The typical cost of a project manager's time is around $500 per hour. Efficient budget management can lead to potential savings of up to 10%. A project risk management is a crucial aspect of successful project delivery. It involves 4 key steps: risk identification, risk assessment, risk response planning, and risk monitoring and control. A risk identification is about recognizing all potential problems that could impact the project, from technical challenges to resource constraints. A risk assessment analyzes the likelihood and impact of the identified risks, allowing you to prioritize and focus on the high-impact, high-likelihood risks. A risk response planning involves developing strategies to mitigate, avoid, transfer, or accept the identified risks. Continuous risk monitoring and control is essential to update risk assessments and adjust response plans as the project progresses and new information becomes available. Effective risk management enables proactive project management and increases the chances of successful project delivery. Project communication management is essential for project success. Clear and timely communication ensures all stakeholders are informed and aligned. Effective communication fosters a collaborative environment, building trust and encouraging active participation. Choosing the right communication channels, such as meetings, emails, or instant messaging, is crucial for conveying information efficiently. Active listening is essential for understanding the needs and concerns of all stakeholders, enabling effective communication and conflict resolution. Project quality management is critical to ensuring the success of any project. We'll cover 4 key aspects: defining clear quality standards and measurable criteria for project deliverables, implementing quality control processes and tools to monitor and assess quality throughout the project lifecycle, proactively identifying and preventing potential quality issues through regular reviews and inspections, continuously improving by identifying areas for enhancement and implementing corrective actions. Project procurement management is a critical aspect of successful project delivery. It involves 4 key areas: contract management, vendor selection, negotiation, and performance monitoring. Contract management ensures all procurement activities are documented and agreed upon by all parties. Vendor selection involves identifying and evaluating potential vendors based on predefined criteria to choose the best fit. Negotiation is about reaching mutually beneficial agreements with vendors on pricing, timelines, and other contract terms. Performance monitoring tracks vendor performance against contract obligations to ensure quality and timely delivery. Building a strong, cohesive team is crucial for project success. Focus on fostering communication, collaboration, and trust among team members. Team building activities and workshops can help bring the team together and improve teamwork. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities for each team member ensures everyone understands their contribution and minimizes confusion. Motivating and recognizing team members for their contributions boosts morale and keeps them engaged. Positive reinforcement and appreciation go a long way. Having clear conflict resolution processes helps address disagreements constructively. This promotes a healthy working environment and avoids escalation. Agile project management is a flexible and iterative approach, breaking projects into smaller, manageable pieces. This allows for frequent adjustments based on feedback, rather than rigidly sticking to a predefined plan. Agile is highly collaborative, with team members communicating openly and frequently to stay aligned. The team-oriented nature of Agile promotes shared understanding and a focus on common goals. Agile emphasizes adaptability and responsiveness to change, rather than a fixed, linear process. Scrum is an Agile framework for managing complex projects. It emphasizes iterative development, collaboration, and continuous improvement. The key elements of Scrum are sprint planning. The team plans the work for the next sprint. Daily Scrum. The team meets daily to discuss progress and obstacles. Sprint review. The team demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders. Sprint retrospective. The team reflects on the sprint and identifies areas for improvement. Scrum teams typically consist of a product owner, a Scrum master, and a development team. The product owner defines the product vision and backlog. The Scrum master facilitates the Scrum process. The development team performs the actual work. Kanban is a methodology that uses a visual board to track tasks and workflow. The board is divided into columns representing different stages of the work. This provides visibility into the process. Kanban emphasizes a continuous workflow, where tasks are pulled from the board as they become ready. This allows teams to prioritize and complete tasks in a smooth, efficient manner. Kanban also encourages continuous improvement. Teams monitor the workflow and use metrics to identify areas for optimization. By focusing on improving the process, Kanban helps teams deliver value to customers more effectively. A lean project management is all about eliminating waste and streamlining workflows to focus on value creation. The key principles are eliminating unnecessary activities and optimizing resource utilization throughout the project lifecycle. A lean encourages a culture of continuous improvement, where teams are empowered to identify inefficiencies, optimize processes, and enhance outcomes through regular feedback and iteration. By continuously improving and adapting, we can deliver more value to our customers and stakeholders. The Critical Path Method, CPM, is a powerful project management technique that helps identify the critical sequence of tasks that must be completed on time to meet the project deadline. CPM provides visibility into the minimum project duration, highlights activities with no slack or flexibility, and enables more efficient management of project resources. The critical path is the sequence of tasks that have no slack or room for delay. These must be completed on schedule to avoid delaying the entire project. Activities with no slack are those that are part of the critical path and have no flexibility in their timing. They must be executed as planned. Effective resource management is crucial when using CPM, as it helps ensure the right resources are available for the critical path tasks at the right times. Overall, CPM gives project managers the insights and control needed to successfully deliver projects on time and within budget. PERT is a powerful project management technique that uses a network diagram to map out the tasks and dependencies in a project. The network diagram shows tasks as nodes and dependencies as arrows, with information on task durations and the critical path. The critical path is the sequence of tasks that must be completed on time for the entire project to stay on schedule. PERT allows you to estimate the overall project duration and analyze potential risks so you can develop contingency plans. This visual representation gives you a clear understanding of the project structure and helps you identify areas that need extra attention. PERT is a valuable tool for managing complex projects and ensuring they are delivered on time and within budget. Project progress monitoring ensures work aligns with plan, budget, and timeline. Regular updates and reports provide valuable insights into project status. Deviations from plan can be due to changes in scope, resources, or external factors. Effective monitoring helps identify these deviations early on. Once deviations are identified, corrective action is crucial to bring project back on track. This may involve adjustments to plan, resources, or schedule. Monitoring and control are ongoing processes that contribute to continuous improvement and learning. Earned Value Management, EVM, is a powerful project management technique that accurately measures project performance. EVM provides clear, data-driven insights into the health of a project, allowing you to make informed decisions. By tracking metrics like planned value, actual cost, and earned value, EVM can help you identify issues early and take corrective action. Studies have shown that effective use of EVM can save millions of dollars on large, complex projects by improving efficiency and reducing waste. The visual on this slide provides a clear, easy-to-understand representation of EVM data, giving the audience a quick snapshot of project progress. I'll walk through how to interpret this chart and what the key metrics mean in the context of our project. Change management is a structured approach to transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations to a new way of working. The change control process involves identifying, evaluating, approving, and implementing changes to a project while maintaining control over the project scope, schedule, and budget. Effective communication is essential for managing change, ensuring stakeholders are informed and engaged in the process. Evaluating the potential impact of changes is crucial to minimize disruption and ensure smooth implementation. Formal closure is an important step to document the project's completion and officially close it out. Celebrating the team's achievements and acknowledging their contributions is a great way to recognize their hard work and boost morale. Analyzing project successes and failures to document key lessons learned is crucial for improving future projects. Preserving relevant documents and data in project archives ensures this information is available for reference down the line. Project management certifications demonstrate your competence and commitment to the field. Obtaining a recognized certification can enhance your credibility and lead to career advancement opportunities. The process of preparing for certification exams can improve your understanding of project management principles and best practices. Certifications are a valuable way to validate your skills and knowledge, which can translate to higher salaries and more job opportunities. Project management software and tools are essential for streamlining tasks, planning projects, enabling collaboration, and providing valuable insights. Task management tools help teams assign tasks, track progress, and work together efficiently. Project planning software supports the entire project lifecycle, from scheduling to resource allocation and budget management. Collaboration and communication tools keep teams aligned and informed through seamless document sharing and real-time discussions. Reporting and analytics tools provide data-driven insights to monitor project performance, identify risks, and make informed decisions. These integrated solutions empower teams to execute projects more effectively and achieve better outcomes. The future of project management is filled with exciting advancements that will transform how we work. New technologies like AI will automate many tasks and provide intelligent assistance to project managers. Collaborative tools will enable seamless teamwork and communication across distributed project teams. Personalized learning experiences will help project managers continuously develop their skills and stay ahead of the curve. These innovations will make project management more efficient, effective, and tailored to individual needs. The bright, colorful imagery on this slide represents the optimistic and innovative future that lies ahead for our field. Project management is essential for the success of any initiative or endeavor. Effective project management ensures that projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. By implementing robust project management practices, teams can stay organized, mitigate risks, and deliver successful outcomes. The skills and methodologies of project management provide the structure and discipline needed to turn ideas into reality. Effective project management is a critical competency for leaders and teams who want to achieve their goals and make a meaningful impact.